Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. How are you doing? I hope you're having a blessed day. Today I am making some pork chops, some Caribbean Asian style pork chops is what I call this one. Now here in this bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I think I said that right, Worcestershire sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. For spice, I have scotch bonnet pepper that I diced, and I put some seeds in there because I want it really spicy. You can of course use liquid hot sauce. I also have a pinch of salt because I use low sodium salt soy sauce. I also have a pinch of salt. I also Forgive me. I also have about a tablespoon of black pepper. I have about 4 cloves of ginger that garlic that I chopped up. I have a smidgen of fresh ginger that I grated in there. And I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of ketchup also. Instead of brown sugar, you can also use honey. Okay. So one more time, let's go over this again. I have a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, pinch of salt, 1/3 cup of ketchup, about a tablespoon of black pepper. I have also a teaspoon of onion powder, 3 to 4 garlic cloves that I chopped up, and a smidgen of fresh grated ginger. And now I have about 3.5–4 pounds of pork chops here that I'm going to marinate this with. If you can hear that, that's my new grandbaby in the background. He's gonna be 3 months in a few days, and he's already just talking up a storm, talking over there to his auntie Jade. He is just talking. He just got stuff to say, doesn't he? Okay, guys. Making sure, see, here's one at the bottom. Making sure every piece of them have some good sauce on them, some of that good marinade on them, on both sides. You want to keep flipping them. Go from the bottom up. Yeah, see the bottom when it's... Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 1 hour, and I will see you back then. Hey guys, welcome back. How you doing? So here again is the marinated pork chops. It just looks and smells divine. This is Sunday, but I'm going to make it easy again for myself. I'm just going to make some white rice with it and some and a simple salad. Okay, guys. So over here in the pot over there, I have about 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you choose. I just love the smell and flavor that coconut oil gives food. It's just absolutely divine. My oven is also preheating to 350 because I'm going to finish it off in the oven to make it a little more fall apart tender. Before I do that, oh guys, I wanted to tell you, because I use brown sugar instead of honey, when I made the marinade, I let it sit for a little while, and I kept stirring it to you know, kind of like dissolve the brown sugar, so I wouldn't, you know, like right now when I get ready to cook, I wouldn't have pieces of sugar clump, because you know brown sugar, the grains are a little thicker than white sugar. So I did let it sit for a while, and I kept mixing it for maybe 5 to 6 minutes before I actually went to marinate the pork chops. And that's a marinade you can use in chicken. It's great on like boneless, skinless chicken breast, or even the thigh, or dark meat. It is absolutely great on chicken also. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm just gonna brown the pork chops slightly. No more than say 3 minutes on each side, and because the marinade was liquid, the liquid can cool down the temperature of the pot. So you wanna do it in small batches. You don't wanna you don't wanna stuff them all in there at once. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll see you guys back soon. Guys, welcome back. So here we are. Please remember, you're not frying the pork chops here. Just give them a little bit of that nice caramelization because of the brown sugar in there. I don't know if you can see inside the pot there. Let me show you. Don't get worried as long as you're not burning it. So if you're cooking on a good temperature, I'm using medium high heat. So you see all that I'm just rubbing the pork chops in that good caramelization there. As long as you're not browning it, if you don't smell anything, you're good. Just try to keep your stove at a good temperature so you don't burn it. So now that the pork chops is done browning, I'm gonna put them all back in here. You know me, I love the pot to oven, stove top to oven pots. So here we go. And I do have some liquid left over. I'm gonna put a pinch of cornstarch in there, put it in there, but not yet. Right now I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to put it on for 45 minutes, and I will see and put it in the oven, and I will see you in 45 minutes, okay? Okay guys, so the 45 minutes is up. Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek. Okay. Let me grab a fork. It has a little juice in there, so let's just, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Put it back on. I had to turn the oven back on because it's going back in there for a little bit longer. Oh yeah, the fork is just, I can already tell this. Ooh, see, I'm ripping it up. So tender. If you're using the thick cut pork chops, then maybe an additional 15 minutes. These were not so thick. My husband bought these to say it was, what did he say? Assorted sizes. Usually some is thinner than others. Okay. So here's the little juice we have left. I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch to that. As you can see, there's also some juice in the pot, so gotta mix the cornstarch in there very well. And just pour this in here over this. Okay, I'm trying to get every last bit of it out of it, okay? And I'm going to put this back in for an additional 15 minutes, and I'll see you guys back then, okay? Okay guys, the final 15 minutes, the pork chops is done. Let's get it out of here. And here we go. Let's do this.
That looks great.
Oh my goodness, y'all, Jade just did my hardest person to cook for, and she's the last one in the daggone house. Was just like, that looks great. It was like that jerk fried chicken I made last week. When Jade bit with that, she was like, oh mommy, this is so good. She's my skeptic. She's not afraid to tell me the truth. Oh my god, and she's the pickiest eater, even though she called me a picky eater. I didn't want
start that argument.
I am not pickier than you. I just like cook food. I don't like a lot of crap.
Anybody
I just rather,
who knows you,
whatever.
pickiest eater
I am.
I've ever met.
I didn't want a lot of sauce, guys. If you do, you can always increase. You know, you can add a little water. You remember that last dripping that I mixed the cornstarch with? If you want a lot, you can always add a little bit of water to it. So this is what we have. This looks, I swear to Jesus, I'm always giving myself more crap to clean as if they don't give me enough. Let me grab a fork here and let me show you. This is not so tender, so fork tender. Look at this. Look at this. It is. Oh, you're not seeing that good enough, are you? Right? Let's not say. Oh, let's push this over some, okay? Look at that, and look how fork tender this is. Oh my God, guys, that is so good. See, this is what I was doing. You know, get some juice from the bottom because I don't have a lot of the sauce. I didn't want a lot. If you want more, like I said earlier, just add some. Hi, Pooh Bear. You want to say hi to the camera? Just add a little more water to that last dripping that I put the cornstarch in. But I didn't want any more liquid than that. So look, take a look at this, guys. This looks so amazingly good. I want to. All that crap. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget, if you like my videos, to help me to grow by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, God bless, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.